First, we'll start with a basic outline of Goku's body. Draw a circle for the head and draw a vertical line and 2 horizontal lines for the eyes. This is just a guideline, so don't worry about making it perfect. Next, let's add some details to Goku's face. Start with the eyes, make them sharp and intense to capture that ultra instinct look. Add the nose and mouth, keeping in mind Goku's determined expression. Now let's move on to Goku's iconic hair. Ultra instinct hair is spiky and silver. Draw the spikes in different directions to give it a dynamic look. Take your time with this step to get the hair just right. With the face and hair done, let's work on the body. Sketch the muscular build and add the details of Goku's gi. Don't forget the torn parts of his clothing to show the intensity of the battle. Now for the most exciting part, the kamehameha pose. Draw Goku's hand cupped together, forming the energy blast. Add some energy lines around the hands to show the power of the kamehameha. After inking, erase any pencil marks and start coloring. Use shades of blue and white for the kamehameha and silver for Goku's hair.
Howdy!
And there you have it, Goku Ultra Instinct performing the kamehameha. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art tutorials. See you next time. Check out these other videos for more drawing tutorials and don't forget to subscribe.